It's one of the most expensive houses on the market and just had a big price drop. And while you may think you know nothing about this mansion, chances are you've seen it before.
The price of the most expensive home for sale in America just dropped by $50 million. The mansion was featured on the classic sitcom The Beverly Hillbillies. It's been on the market for nearly 2 years at a price of $245 million, but there was not one bite, hence the $50 million price reduction.
The new price at $195 million is way more in line with what's going on today in the market than where they were.
Interested in making a bid? The estate features a tennis court, a 12,000 bottle wine cellar, and a 40-car garage. All this at the bargain basement price of $195 million.
I think that estate is worth every single penny.